One of the earliest civilizations on the planet of Earth is of the Indus Valley, the land that was known as the land of silk, the land of cotton, the land of weavers, farmers, potters, artisans, architects, intellectuals, scientists, and saints, the land of diversity and beauty. From the galaxy of artists out there in the mighty universe, a star shone upon this soil to paint its views and sceneries, to praise and preserve its culture. Born in the original Scythians, the Khatri caste, in 1919 in Kolachi, the present-day Karachi, this star was named Gul Muhammad Khatri. An energetic, self-driven man of integrity, simple yet classy, smart and dedicated, Gul Muhammad Khatri lived his life with a mission and purpose. His aim is so evident in his work. The aim, the purpose, and the mission was to paint and preserve the marvel of Wadi-e-Mehran, the Indus Valley, in his colors. In the year 1933, he joined a well-known Sikh painter and artist of Karachi, late Chitterjeet Singh, and had training from him in drawing, fine art, glass painting, commercial art, theatre, stage decoration, and cinema posters. He had 2 years of experience in textile designing and screen blocks. Since 1945, he had been working independently as a commercial artist. In the year 1957, Gul Muhammad Khatri started the study of fine art in more detail, and it became an everlasting interest with him. Mr. Khatri participated in numerous exhibitions, both group and solo, throughout the country. He experimented in the techniques of modern art. Mehran Musawwari is the personal innovation of Gul Muhammad Khatri. Sir Gul Muhammad Khatri is one of the pioneer artists from the pre- and post-Indo-Pak partition era. He painted heroes of our nation, awesome folklores, life of the poor class, and most importantly, he painted the thought and the message of the great Sufi poet Shah Abdul Latif Bhitai. He worked in ink, watercolor, and oil. As visionary and practical as Gul Muhammad Khatri was, he established 2 organizations to be sustainable and independent: Gul Muhammad Art Services, Karachi, and Gul Muhammad Khatri Art Studio, Karachi. Sir Gul Muhammad Khatri was a person full of life. He loved to travel, explore, observe the beauty of the nature. He often visited Hyderabad, where one of his closest friends, Sir Abdullah Qadir Baksh Sheikh, alias Ainkaf Sheikh, used to live. His contemporaries were Abdullah Qadir Baksh Sheikh, Zafar Kazmi, Dara Alam Abro, Ali Akbar Sumro, and Fatah Halipoto. One of his key milestones is his book. He is the first Sindhi artist to publish a book of drawing and sketches depicting almost each and every sur chapter of Shahjo Risalo, the poetry of Shah Abdul Latif Bhitai. Unfortunately, his major work has not survived due to the negligence of responsible government institutions and departments. In the late 1970s, however, he fell ill, not surviving the bitterness and ignorance of the half-cooked, half-rotten so-called urban society. This great master and a legendary artist passed away on 19th of March 1979 at the age of 60 in Karachi. A star returned to its galaxy. His works and services will always shine upon the soil of the Indus.
सरकार अल्लाह में झांकी नरकार अय्यम्मा मुन सुञाता अल्लाह अय्यम्मा मुन परुया अल्लाह जोगी दादी सारे सन्यासी लिखे बोलो अल्लाह सारे सन्यासी लिखे अल्लाह एरनम सारी अय्यम्मा मुन परुया अल्लाह अय्यम्मा मुन सुञाता अल्लाह जोगी दादी उनके अब्दुल लतीफ चयो जी लतीफ अल्लाह उनके अब्दुल लतीफ उनके अब्दुल लतीफ चयो दातर दीनदार अल्लाह दातर दीनदार अय्यम्मा मुन परुया अल्लाह अय्यम्मा मुन सुञाता अल्लाह जोगी दादी अय्यम्मा मुन परुया अल्लाह अय्यम्मा